I just got this new Vacbird set for travel, and it comes in a 20 piece. It comes with 8 of the small bags, 20-inch. It comes with 8 of the 24-inch medium bags, and it also 4 28-inch bags. So it comes with 3 sizes, and so very versatile for travel. Different things can go in these, and I'm going to show you a demonstration on how easy it is to use. It also comes with a compact vacuum pump and charger, and the nice thing about this is you can charge on the go. So this is the 20-inch bag, which I have several shirts in, about 5 t-shirts in, and I'm going to show you how it looks right now. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. First thing, comes with a little zipper. So you want to zip it, make sure that you burp the air out that's there. You zip it shut. Then you're going to take off the valve cover, and then you're going to just take your pump. Gives you some compression. Make sure you put the valve cover back on. Now you have a more compact bag that you can put in your suitcase or carry on.